How to track every NFL free agent signing for the Commanders. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. The very first thing you want to do is to sign in for the Commanders. Use the official NFL free agency tracker. First, go to NFL.com and search for the NFL free agency tracker. This page lists the latest signings, trades, and contract details for all 32 teams, including the Commanders, and it updates as deals happen. Now the next thing you can try doing is check the Commanders official website. Next, visit commanders.com. They have a dedicated free agency tracker where you can see every player who signs, resigns, or leaves the team during the off-season. Once done, you can also follow the sports news sites. You can head over to big sports sites like ESPN or NFL. They will definitely keep you up to date as they keep a running list of every Commander signing with analysis and updates. Once done, now the next thing you can also try doing is, after that, the next thing you can do is turn on alerts from sports app. For real-time updates, download apps like ESPN or NFL and then follow the Commanders. You can simply turn on notifications so you get alerts the moment a new free agent signing is announced. And this is simply how you will be able to track every NFL free agent signing for the Commanders. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.